Okay, here are scenes from the blizzard of 2010, Arlington, Virginia. This is looking out from the front of the Gould house. This is the day after the storm. Sun's come out. It's cold this morning, about 17, 18 degrees. There's one of the few cars trying to go down the street. I hope he doesn't get stuck, even though he's four-wheel drive. We haven't had a plow come through, though it's gotten packed down from a few people getting out, like us. That's Patrick's car. I'm not sure he's going to get it out in our lifetime. Trees in the back that are history. You can see how deep the snow is by comparison to the tire swing there that's usually maybe a foot or more off the ground. The snow is, according to the yardstick, is 26, 27 inches thick. We had a crew dig us out yesterday. This would have taken me about a week to do by myself, I think. Here comes the Explorer. He turned around and he is stuck. Four-wheel drive's not helping. He needs to take a running start. There he goes. Might get it. No, he's going to get himself more stuck. He's toast. Oh, he's got it. He's got it.